Haitians are up in arms again. The social media groups have already started, thousands of comments have already been posted, and did I mention the demonstrations that are scheduled? This time, it's about the alleged sexual assault of a young boy by UN Peacekeepers in Haiti. Once again, nothing new. What will be different this time than the thousands of other reports about sexual assault by UN Peacekeepers on young girls in Haiti? According to many we spoke with, the answer to this question is nothing will change. While other nations are using social media to bring positive social change to their countries, Haitians are simply using social media to do what they do best: to talk. Is this true? Let's have a grown-up conversation about how to change things for good. Join me this Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. on telelacaitv.com and let's talk Haiti.